So let's move to the overhead panel. In the upward portion of the overhead panel is the circuit breakers that control some of the major functions of the airplane. But below that, and a little bit more forward, is the panels that we use to control all the systems on the plane. This one, the lowest one, on the left and on the right, are the windshield wipers. Above that is our electrical panel. So we have left and right generators on each engine and backup generators on each engine. We have external power that we can plug in from the ground, so we don't have to run the airplane's auxiliary power unit to get electricity on the plane. And we have what's known as bus ties on the left and right electrical system, so that if in the case of an engine failure or a generator failure on one or the other engine, the opposite can power both at the same time. All right. Here we are. So, and then to the left, we have some extra power for subsystems on the airplane, the battery switch, and the auxiliary power unit power switch. The next panel controls our hydraulic system. We have a lot of hydraulic pumps on 777. We got 4 engine-driven and air-driven. We have 4 electrically driven. So we have a lot of backup capacity. In case anything fails, we always have hydraulic power to get the flight controls moving so we can control the plane. Below that, we've got the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. And below that, we have lighting controls for panels around the cockpit and the landing lights, runway turn-off lights, taxi light, and strobe light. Above that, we have some more lights, and above that, we have anti-ice controls for flying through icy and wintry conditions. And above that, we have the fuel control panels. We have 2 fuel pumps in the center tank, 2 pumps on the left main tank, and 2 pumps on the right main tank, and the ability to cross feed from one to the other. We also have the ability to dump fuel. We have to activate that and select how much fuel we wish to dump. And so that reduces our weight in case of an engine failure after takeoff, and we can get below our maximum landing weight by dumping fuel. Above that is our engine start selectors. And to the right is the air conditioning pressurization controls. We have with electric controls to divert the air from the engines to the air conditioning or from the auxiliary power unit to control the air conditioning. Let's see, I think that's about it.